Hello and welcome to this edition from Ask the Expert. My name is Olaf. I'm a product manager here in Ditzingen at the Department for the True Services and responsible for all the questions around our punching tools. Today's topic will answer the question, when is the right time to regrind our punches? This is difficult to say because many factors have big influence to the wear, such as sheet quality, sheet thickness, coating of the punch, lubrication during the punching process, or the cutting clearance between punch and die. As a general rule, we say that our punches has to be reground after 60 up to 80,000 strokes. This applies for punches without a coating. The following three factors have to be checked periodically to determine the needs of regrinding. First, check the cutting edges from the punch. If you can see a change from a sharp edge towards to a radius 0.1 up to 0.25 millimeters, the punch has to be reground. For a higher lifetime from the punch, we recommend to regrind regularly, and not only if you have a round edge at your punches, and then only 0.1 up to 0.15 millimeter. This ensures that your punches are always sharp, ensuring that you can reach the best possible results when punching. Second, for a trained operator, it's possible to hear a change from the punching noise. It gets louder. That's an indication for a change from the cutting edges. The reason why it gets louder is simple to explain. The cutting edge gets worn. Due to this wear, the stroke gets louder because more punching force is needed. As soon as you notice this change, please check your punch, and if necessary, please regrind. Last but not least, check the edge quality from your parts. If you consider a bigger burr as usual, this is also an indication that it's time to regrind the punch. During the regrinding process, for example by using the quick sharp, care must be taken to ensure that the punch is cooled enough. This will prevent the formation of grinding cracks or the annealing of the material. It is advisable to use an oil stone to slightly sharpen the tool after the regrinding process. If you regrind punches with a whisper or rooftop shear, please check that the punch is in the right angular position in your clamping device. You can find the maximum regrinding length for all our tools in the following documents: the machine operating instruction, in our punching tool catalog, or in our technical information for punching. All special tools, for example a cluster tool, comes with a separate tool information. Please check this information for the correct maximum regrinding length. If the punch is regrinded too often, it will be necessary to change the stripper that is used for the punch. If you don't use the correct stripper dimension, it can happen that it comes to a collision from punch and stripper. That's one of the reasons the horseshoe from the machine is damaged during the punching process. Please look into our stripper selection tables. You can find them also in our machine operation instruction, the punching tool catalog, and in our technical information for punching. Please note, this data applies only for punching tools from TRUMPF. I hope this was informative for you to find the right time to regrind your punches and increase the lifetime. Thanks for watching this episode from Ask the Expert.